Do you ever feel like you're running on a financial treadmill? You work 40, 50 hours a week. You get your paycheck. And by the first week, it's gone. But here's the cold truth. It's not just the economy. It's a trap designed for your brain. Welcome to the era of instant gratification. Every buy now button releases a hit of dopamine. We've been trained to spend money we don't have, on things we don't need, to impress people we don't even like. This is the definition of a financial clown. Someone who trades their future freedom for 15 minutes of temporary pleasure. The system wants you distracted and broke. Why? Because a man in debt is a man who can't say no. The only difference between those who build wealth and those who stay stuck is the ability to delay gratification. Every dollar you don't spend impulsively today is a piece of your life you're buying back for tomorrow. Stop being the court jester of the consumer market. Start treating your capital like soldiers in a war for your independence. If you're ready to stop the circus and master your mind, check out my book, Financial Clowns. Link in the description. Subscribe to reclaim your reality.